Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Zach with Money Pit RC. Today's video is going to be a super easy install. As you can see, we have the Traxxas Rustler VXL 2-wheel drive, and we have some RC all-wheel drive shocks. So this is probably one of the easiest cars you can put some shocks on. So I'm going to show you step by step on how to install these. Let's get them installed. So what we're installing today is these RC all-wheel drive full aluminum shocks. So in the bag you get 4 shocks, 2 longer ones, 2 shorter ones. And then you get the pivot balls and you get all the included mounting hardware. So the first thing that you should do every time you get a brand new shock, so what you're going to do is you're going to take the top of the shock off and you're going to look down inside and see how much oil's in it. Because a lot of these shocks won't come fully filled with oil. And as you can tell, that this one has barely any oil. So what we're going to do is we're going to get all 4, we're going to top them off, make sure they're bled properly, and then we're going to install them in the car. It's just an extra step, but it saves you in the long run. It depends what kind of terrain you drive on. It really doesn't matter what oil that you use, but I do like a little bit of 30 weight. I feel like it gives it a good ride, and it also still gives the absorption that you need. So like I said, just give it a little top off. And there you go. Much better. You can just feel the difference. So we're going to get all 4 done, and then we're going to install them. Alright, now that we got the shocks ready to go, we got all the hardware sorted out, we're going to get working on the actual car itself. So it has 2 smaller shocks and 2 larger shocks. Smaller ones are for the front, larger ones are for the rear. So we're going to work on the front first. You're going to take a 2mm Allen, and what you're going to do is you're going to take off the lower shock bolt first, and then you are going to take the upper shock bolt off. Once you get that, you're going to pull it out of the arm. Once you got the old shock out, you're going to grab the new shock. You're going to grab the pivot ball and you're going to put it on the back side. You're going to grab the bolt, make sure you have the pivot ball installed the correct way so it looks like that. And then what you're going to do is you're going to install it on the top first. Then once that's snug, you're going to lift it up and you're going to put it through the lower control arm. Grab your other bolt. You're going to line it up through the hole. Once you get it through, you're just going to snug it down. And that's one completed shock. So we're going to do it to all 4 corners and then I'll show you the end results. Alright guys, this is the end result. We got all 4 shocks on, got the oil in them. My only complaint is I feel like they are a little bit bouncy. Maybe the springs are a little bit too stiff, but you can probably fine tune those with some different springs. But other than that, everything fit together well. I had no issues. I hope you guys enjoyed this short and sweet little video of installing shocks on the Rustler VXL 2-wheel drive. I'd like to give a shout out to RC all-wheel drive for the shocks. Maybe next video we're going to take this out, have a good bash. I hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. It was very simple, sweet, and to the point. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell because we're going to do a lot of good stuff on this channel. So I don't want you guys to miss it. I'll catch you guys on the next video.